Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week.
You can make food last longer aboard your small sailboat without refrigeration. Follow these 7 tips from cruising legends Hal and Margaret Roth, who sailed for over 100,000 miles without refrigeration. Apply a light coat of petroleum jelly to eggs, potatoes, and onions. This seals out moisture and air to keep them fresh for 28 to 30 days. Use aluminum foil to cover lemons, limes, grapefruits, and oranges. This extends their life up to 30 days without refrigeration. Put carrots and cabbages in dry, cool areas with good circulation all around. Fishnet bags are ideal and expect them to last 14 to 21 days. Place rice and spaghetti products in containers filled to the top to keep the airspace to a minimum. For rice, soak a cotton pad with grain alcohol to keep weevils away. Place the cotton pad on top of the rice before you seal the container. Both grains will last up to 1 year. As long as you keep a wax seal unbroken, cheese will last for long periods of time. Choose from Gouda and wheel-type cheeses. Soybean granules make a tasty substitute for ground beef. Use them to make spaghetti sauce or macaroni and beef. They provide an excellent source of protein for tired, hungry sailing crews. Make jams or jellies last longer with canning. Keep the air out, and these sweet products last for months. Once opened, use the product within 7 days. Use these 7 sailing tips to help food aboard your small sailboat last longer without refrigeration.
This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.